is an example of an onion root tip mitosis. The picture shows that there is a cell that has been identified that's an anaphase. What we're going to do is we're going to draw a picture of what it should look like. This is the type of picture I expect when you're drawing. Detail is very important in biology. It is the only record you have of what you actually observed. So we're going to draw this cell right here. Now, in some instances, you will only draw a single cell. In other instances, you need to draw everything that's within the circle of view. So for this one, it's kind of a square shape, and you would do this in color. Unfortunately, this only does one color. Okay, we're going to have these lines which represent the chromosomes. They don't have to be exactly, should be a little closer. These would actually be a purple color. Now the cell wall is actually on the thicker side. There's a few little strands that you can kind of see in between. And then there's little spots here and there. Okay, now what we would do is we would put the magnification. So this is onion root tip. This is 100x. We would identify the chromosomes, the cell wall, spindle fibers, cytoplasm. Might be able to say there's little ribosomes or other things, but definitely. Now in this instance, there's no nucleus. But if you drew, let's say, this one right here, then you'd be able to label the nuclear envelope. So that would be this right here, the chromosomes, the cell wall, cytoplasm. In that one, there's no spindle fibers. So it's very important that your picture represents what you actually see and that you label everything on it that you can. Now, we could also say that this is anaphase. So that is what I would expect each time you do a drawing. So whether it says to identify the parts or not, because detail is important, you identify everything that's possible during any type of drawing that you're doing.